The U.S. president says Americans are going to have to pitch in and shoulder some of the financial burden in the fight against Vladimir Putin.
Americans have rallied to support their Ukrainian people and made it clear we will not be part of subsidizing Putin's war.
Russian oil makes up less than 10% of U.S. energy imports. Still, the ban will push already record-high gas prices higher. Russia will now look to India and China to replace lost U.S. sales. The financial blow to Moscow would have been far more significant if Western allies did this together.
We can't move overnight, but we can certainly do it, and we can do it in a way that doesn't disrupt supply, that ensures...
The UK says it will phase out Russian oil by the end of the year. The European Union now aims to reduce its dependence by 2/3 on that same timeline.
It's hard, bloody hard, but it's possible if we're willing to go further and faster than we've done before.
Europe is boxed in, relying on Russia for roughly 40% of its energy. Putin knows it and is threatening to cut off a vital natural gas supply line if sanctions continue.
Mr. Putin, who is the master kind of calculator, figured this out, I think, ahead of anybody else and said, I can get away with quite a lot because I can hold them hostage in terms of now energy.
All efforts to get Putin to change course so far have failed. Leaders in the U.S. intelligence community who testified before Congress have little hope these new measures will work.
Our analysts assess that Putin is unlikely to be deterred by such setbacks and instead may escalate.
Initial reaction in the U.S. to the ban has been positive. Both Democrats and Republicans support it, and earlier polls suggest voters are willing to pay the costs for now. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Washington.